In this video, we're going to talk about the Beyerdynamic DT-990 Pro open back headphones. We're going to talk about all the facts, all the figures about these headphones, what makes them different from other headphones, the history behind these headphones, and more while we unbox these headphones. So stick around to the end of the video to see all the facts and information that you need to know for these headphones to see if they're actually worth buying today. Let's just get straight to the unboxing because I feel like wasting no time today and just jumping straight in. So straight inside the box, we have the headphones. We do have a few extra bits and pieces as well. So I'm very excited. So we do have a bag that it comes with. We have these open back headphones and a few little extra bits and pieces. Great, so everything we get with these headphones is pretty much the headphones. We get a jack connection. We do get a nice bag with it as well. In terms of its little facts and figures as well, let's talk about it. There is a long history of these headphones, originally invented in the 1980s, and they have constantly improved the DT-990s as they have gone, and other models in the Beyerdynamic range. The Beyerdynamic company has been around for a long time. So that's the first interesting point of this video, is that they have lasted such a long time. It obviously shows that they have great quality headphones, and this pair of headphones have been around for so long, over 5 years I believe. Can't remember when they were first released, but it's definitely been longer than 5 years, and people still use these headphones for mixing, mastering, audio work. I'm going to be using this for gaming. Another great reason to get these headphones is, yes, they're higher impedance, but they're more comfortable, better audio because they are higher impedance as well. So impedance basically is in terms of the voltage that goes into the headphones. So you could have lower impedance or higher impedance. So lower impedance is better for everyday use. So stuff like your Audio-Technica headphones, maybe some Sennheiser headphones that are wired and connected, for example. Now, this is the same price as the Audio-Technica M50s, but what this stands out for is the comfort of the headphones. So as you can see, for example, we have these really nice fluffy ear cuffs, super comfortable. They're also open back. It also allows more natural comfort and noise when using and monitoring with these headphones. Great for surround sound, audio work in general, great for mixing, great for mastering, because you're gonna have a better sound because of the higher impedance. All right, in terms of its build quality, it's super nice build quality. So in terms of it, we've got a metal sort of band at the top with padding, really nice padding. Once again, really comfortable ear cuffs that are super nice and super comfortable. Overall, these are mainly used for audio work because they are 250 ohms. So once again, ohms is just the voltage. So this does come with a powerful jack connection that you can use with like an audio interface. That's the main thing. Let's have a quick look at this bag. Really nice bag actually. So it's like a drawstring bag. Quite a big bag as well actually. So yes, definitely still worth the test of time because I've come full circle with these headphones. So I owned them like a couple of years back, ended up selling them, and then I've gone to the Audio-Technica M50s, but the ear cuffs are just not doing well. You can replace them, but I felt like I just needed a brand new pair of headphones just for my gaming videos, better audio, for like mixing, mastering, because I'm also a music producer as well. So these headphones are absolutely perfect, have stood the test of time because one, I've gone full circle and bought them again, but also because the way they're built, like the high quality audio for the price is definitely worth it. They're also super comfortable for long-term gaming, video making, stuff like that, long-term editing, audio work, super comfortable for all that sort of stuff. They're also really powerful for the money that you get. Same price as the M50s once again. So definitely a worthwhile headphone. And yes, they've stood the test of time. These are absolutely amazing and fantastic and great build quality. They come with a 3-meter cable that is expandable. It is a wired headset as well, but that doesn't bother me for like what I'm trying to do. I'm literally just gonna be at this desk, plug it in, and it's gonna have great audio. So very excited and very happy for these headphones, and I am excited. So yes, not really useful for necessarily every single day use, but they have a specific thing that it does, but it does it extremely well, and that is why you should get the Beyerdynamic DT-990s.